Storm Franklin lashed the British Isles Monday with heavy rains and winds gusting to 80 miles per hour. Franklin's strong winds pushed a truck into a bridge in Lancashire, England. The truck burst into flames. Luckily, the driver escaped and is recovering in the hospital. Heavy rains fell across northern England, Scotland and Ireland. The River Aire in Leeds, England nearly topped its banks Sunday. The photographer counted steps going down to the river to measure rising waters. He showed 4 steps and commented that he usually could see 10. Franklin was the third named winter storm to hit the United Kingdom in the past 7 days behind Eunice and Dudley. Storm Eunice killed 8 people across the UK and Europe and toppled trucks and church spires. Rescue crews aiding residents and businesses said they had to work through knee-deep water on the beaches and waist-high foam. There was a very wide area of 90 to 100 mile-per-hour winds at the surface out over the Atlantic, producing wave heights northwest of Ireland earlier this morning of 45 feet, meteorologist and director of Weather Quest in Norwich, England, Chris Bell told Fox Weather.
Ow! Oh shit!
Why the parade of strong storms? Very cold air streamed out of Canada into the North Atlantic. That, combined with some pretty mild tropical maritime air from the Central Atlantic, explained Bell. And the combination of those two things created quite a powerful jet stream across the Atlantic.